Hi, today I'll be sharing my experience using this Europace dehumidifier. I've been using this dehumidifier for about 5 months as I bought these around September 2020. So I hope that this review will be helpful to those who also live in a humid country and want to check out some reviews before buying the first dehumidifier. So this is my first dehumidifier as well, and I bought it through Shopee Singapore. um, I purchased it through the Gain City official mall shop, and after deducting all the applicable vouchers, I think I purchased it at around $365. In terms of the specific dimensions, I will be showing you here. So for the dimensions, it is stated here. I think it's quite a good size. It can be placed at a corner of my room easily, and the capacity is 12 liters, which is just nice. I typically have to remove the water from the tank once a day. It is only 9.7 kg, which means that for somebody like me, about 160 cm, 49 kg, I can easily carry this dehumidifier around. So I'm going to turn and show you where the humidity level is indicated. So this is actually a really simple machine. So here it states that the humidity level is 63%, and whenever the light here blinks red, then it is an indication for me to remove the water from the tank. So the tank is located here, and I just need to pull this and remove the water from this tank. I'm not removing it now since it is not very full yet. So you can time your dehumidifier as well as set a threshold for how humid you want your room to be. So as mentioned, I have been using this for about 5 months. I find that this dehumidifier really helps because previously my mattress and my bedsheet and my pillowcase tend to be a bit moist. So after using this dehumidifier, it definitely helped to reduce the moisture. But one thing to note is that I don't typically switch on my aircon when I sleep at night because I am afraid of cold. Yeah, so if you already use an aircon, I'm not sure if you still need a dehumidifier. But if you don't, and you also experience similar issues as me, then I think investing in a good dehumidifier is the way to go. For me, I'm also quite particular about how value for money a product is. So for this 12 liters dehumidifier, I think it can last for quite some time, and I believe that it comes with 1 year of warranty. And since it's from Gain City, I find that it's pretty legit as well. So for this dehumidifier, I also purchased it through the payment option of 0% interest over 12 months, since it was offered by Gain City or through Shopee. So overall, after these 5 months of usage, I think that it's a pretty decent product, and definitely for this particular model and brand, it's not very well known, I suppose, but I think it delivers what it's supposed to do. And if it can last for about 3 years, then yeah, I think it will be very ideal. So that's all for the review. If you have any questions, you can raise them at the comments box and I will try my best to answer.